There's a reason why today I have no friends. There's a reason why I cannot differentiate between who I am really and who I am not. There's a reason why I cannot smile as I used to do. And there's a reason why I am making this video. This video is coming from my own experience of things, and you are free to disagree to it. You are a kid and you see dreams. You want to do karate or become a cricketer or maybe a YouTuber. And you are excited about it. You want to accomplish it. Your hunger of achieving goals, earning name and fame pushes you continuously. You start working towards it. You're happy that you're working towards it. But then you encounter people who tell you,
next is to develop a workaholic mentality. In our society today, you have all these people talking about take it easy, have balance in your life, relax, lean back, have fun at work, happy, get along with your coworkers. This is loser talk. Loser. Now, there's a time in your life when you can back off, all right? You can take it easy. But that's when you've made it, not before you've made it. Because before you've made it, you're in a competition with hundreds of thousands of millions of other people, like at the Olympics, who also want to make it. And in order for you to win, you are going to have to work harder and work better and work smarter than they do. So the rule is to develop a workaholic mentality. What does this mean? It means that you start a little earlier, you work a little harder, and you stay a little later.
and then you start working more and more. You never want to stop. You never want to take a break. You want to work harder. You are super dedicated to your goal. You are working 24/7. You don't differentiate between day and night. You don't differentiate between work and break. You are passionate about your work, and passion doesn't need any break. At least that's what you think. You're proud of yourself. You are a productive guy. You have absolute dedication, but then something starts happening to you. You stop talking to your friends. You stop going to functions. Family doesn't matter to you anymore. You don't care about walks. You don't care about eating. You don't care about health. Now you think about your work all time, while eating, while drinking, while shitting, while talking, while walking, while sleeping, all the time. Your hobbies, your interests, all are sacrificed. People want to talk to you, but you have goals to achieve. Now, whenever you see someone doing the same thing, you feel competitive and jealous. But that's sweet, that motivates you. And you start feeling a bit numb. A bit of headache starts. You witness some problems in your health. You feel weak, but it's okay, it happens. You start working again with the same energy, but now you get tired on some days. On some days you feel like taking a break, but obviously you cannot because it's your childhood dream. Internet gurus say it's a part of the process. You need to face all this. This is hustle, and you start becoming proud that it is all happening to you. You show off all this in the name of goals, hustle, and whatnot. You ignore everything that's happening to you and work continuously until
तूने भले एग्जाम क्लियर कर लिया हो यार, ये सब अफसर बन गया हो, लेकिन लाइफ को लेके तेरी अप्रोच पहले भी गलत थी और आज भी गलत है.
माँ बाप प्यार दोस्त, इन्हें अपनी ड्रीम्स के लिए सैक्रिफाइस कर देना इज नॉट वर्थ इट एट ऑल.
It's been months and years of you working, and now it seems a burden. Your dream has become a burden because you are exhausted. Now the energy is gone and you need to move out of yourself. But the game starts here. Now you have no one with you, not even yourself. You have lost all your friends. You haven't talked to your family since ages. Now, no matter what you do, you keep thinking about your work. You want to get rid of it, but you cannot. You are so much into your work that your work is your identity now, and who you are is lost. The internet gurus never told you about the importance of taking break to keep yourself sane while they always knew it. Now your sweet jealousy has taken the form of extreme frustration, jealousy and anger. Now you cannot see anyone achieving things. You shout in silence, cry in isolation and live in depression. Your dreams are lost. Your principles are lost. The motive is lost. Your goal is no more to achieve everything. You just want to be back, to be equanimous, to be happy, to be able to smile again, and to be able to live again.
तो देखो ये वीडियो मैंने बस इसलिए बनाई कि तुम्हें ये बात समझ में आ जाए कि ये जो पूरे वर्कaholic कल्चर प्रमोट हो रहा है कि तुम काम के चक्कर में, पैशन के चक्कर में, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सब कुछ छोड़ दो, हेल्थ वेल्थ सब छोड़ दो, ये बहुत गलत चीज़ है। एक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इस वीडियो से समझ जाओ, वरना जब तक तुम्हें खुद इस चीज़ की रियलाइजेशन होगी तब तक बहुत कुछ देर हो चुकी होगी। और मैंने पर्सनली जो तुमने पूरी वीडियो देखी कहीं ना कहीं मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस ही थे और मैंने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के थ्रू तुम्हें बताने की कोशिश की है। अगर तुम्हें अभी भी और समझना है और जानना है तो यार एक ब्लॉगर है इरफान जो तुम उनको जाके देख सकते हो। तुम्हें समझ में आ जाएगा कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस होना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, वरना तुम्हें वो चीज़ मेंटली कितना परेशान कर सकती है गाइस। सो या दैट वाज इट।